So guys, you won't believe what we use in Africa. So we don't use gas. This is what we use. This is what we use for cooking in Africa. So look, this is our first hole, the second hole, and then the third hole. So we can use this one for boiling hot tea, this one for the sauce, and then that one for mingling the sauce. Like, the 10 minutes food will be ready. So right now, what they're doing here is, what they're doing. Yeah, so that's smearing. Okay. So that's smearing it. This is like plastering. Renovation. Yeah, this is like renovation. So those are like small stone particles. It's kind of rough. Mm. So that's how they do it. Easy. So like why do you add water? Okay, the reason that's why I add water, I find that the mixture is so thick. So we add the water so that it can find a lot so thick. So the when you're smearing or plastering, it will be so easy for you to do that. So that is why. That is the main reason that's why we are adding water. So this is how we light fire in this stove of ours. We first have to put some reasonable amount of charcoal, like I'm doing. Then we have to use a holding back, what is commonly known as a vera, for lighting the fire. Now we're going to light it. Then you leave the kavera to burn until it's done. Then from there you leave your fire. So if you don't have a kavera, you can also use like their sticks, they sell. Okay, their sticks they sell, which you use them for lighting the fire. So this is how we do it here in South Sudan. So we're going to put some charcoal to cover like that so that it can be so easy for our fire to light. We're going to give it some few minutes, then we put whatever we want on fire, since our fire will be ready. So we are going to add some cooking oil to increase on the flame. Yeah. See, I started producing some smoke. Add more, add more. Look at it. So it's taking long because our local stuff is still wet. So I'm trying to use this thing for blowing so that it will light so fast, since it's taking long and the smoke is too much, making it hard for me to stay in the kitchen. Now for us, we use this because we don't have a gas, or we don't have a gas stove. There's no electricity even for us to use for cooking, so we use charcoal. And then here in South Sudan, especially where we stay, the sack of charcoal, it goes for 50,000. That is like $18.7. So the sack of charcoal is 50,000 SSP. So that is roughly $19. So that is it.
So sometimes we use firewood. This is the part of firewood. Yeah. This one. Let me show you. So today we are using charcoal.
Our firewood are outside. We didn't bring it inside the kitchen. So when it's time for us to use firewood, I'll bring it inside.
And guys, this is the firewood we use here in the village for cooking. So this is bamboo, and then this is like timber. So this is what we use for cooking inside.